good, people? Welcome back to the show, to the channel, whatever. All right, today we're gonna be doing some fire-ass chicken curry. All right, I put potatoes in my stuff. Got the onions right there. Got my Vermont curry paste sauce thing. Boom. All right, it's already hot. About to get it in there, and ta-da. So for the stupid people with the dumbass comments, I enjoy cooking. I like to cook. I want to be a chef one day. I don't want to go to school, but I'm going to be a home chef. You know what I'm saying? So I enjoy cooking. Shit brings me peace. Okay? So nobody makes me cook. I just saw Zykia at the grocery store. She got the baby. She got the kids. So I make sure the food's done when she get home, huh? Stupid. Potatoes take the longest to make, so I'll pick them in up first. I'll add some onions, and right now I'm chopping up the chicken and the carrots. So bear with me. I don't have my chop file right now, so I'm just doing it. I don't feel like holding. I need both my hands. Those of you that understand that I like to cook and I'm a man, and I get enjoyment from this. I ain't talking about y'all. Y'all got it. Y'all here to watch me cook. I appreciate y'all. Let's go. Potatoes smelling great. And my stuff fogging up. The last time I dropped my onions. Put a little bit of onions in there. A little bit more broth. All right, then I'm gonna take it out for a little bit. Put my chicken in there, and then put the potatoes back in there. All right, they are not done yet, okay? But I need the space. Oh shit, one hand shit, boy, I hate it. Hold on, there you go. Okay, all right, you keep that stuff in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more, definitely gonna put a little bit more oil in there for the chicken. That on there. And I'm gonna start chopping my carrots. Right now I'm cleaning my board and make sure everything's clean, sanitary. All right, so you still want to have your carrots thick, okay? You don't want to have them super small. That right there is a perfect size right there, okay? You don't need a lot of time on this either. That's why I already got them cut, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got a lot of time. No time to waste. Cut them up, boom, okay? You don't need a couple of chops, y'all. All right, so you want them, I say right here. That's decent right there, because you know once you cook them, they're gonna soften up and get a little smaller, okay? All right, I think that's good right there. Yep. Check on my chicken. And you can see it's already seasoned. I didn't even put any seasoning there. A little more onions in there. There we go. And the carrots. You know what time it is? Put it all together. Good, right? Good, right? Yeah. Put our taters back in there, y'all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love curry, y'all. I get excited about the curry. It smells delicious. It don't even take long. So this is that's the most part right there. I said it's mostly done. All I can do now is add my curry sauce, and the rest is done. Give it about 2 hours to cook, and it will be done. All right, let's go. I don't want to be late for extra duty today. That's how it comes. One little thing right there. All you're gonna do is do like that. Oh, it's a little bar. Look, comes right up. Perfect, and you put it in there. So normally, if you're making a small size, you can just break them off like that, like a little piece of fucking chocolate. But we're gonna put the whole thing in there, okay? Come on. We're gonna drop them in there. Ah, shit. Sorry. You can break them up. I like to break them up a little bit. Place them everywhere. I'm gonna wash that one off. That's it. That's gonna be your curry right there. That's all, y'all. I am gonna add a little bit more broth, all right? And then it's gonna cook down. It's gonna be great. I want to say, don't be afraid to fail, okay? Don't be afraid to try shit, okay? You're gonna burn some food. You're gonna drop some stuff on the floor. Some stuff might be a little too salty. Some stuff might not be salty or seasoned enough. That's okay. That's how you learn. Get in the kitchen, start getting it, bake it, fry it, saute it, do what you gotta do, make it happen. That's how you become a perfectionist, okay? Keep trying it till you got it down packed. You can do that shit with your eyes closed. I can cook with my eyes closed. I don't measure anything. I just go in. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so you can see I'm at work. I forgot to vlog and show you guys how good it turned out. But like I said, it was too easy. It's only like 5 ingredients. You got potatoes, chicken, carrots, onions. I think that's it. Like it wasn't hard, but it came out great. Give it a try, guys. Comment down below if you guys make this.
I knew it.